Good morning, ladies. This morning, I decided to use the new faith kit that was launched in Patreon on my daily page. I want to show you guys how I use the word Fettie that's included with your kit. It's actually a Goodnotes. What I'm using right now is the Goodnotes kit. So in your Goodnotes kit, you're going to get these word Fettie sheets, and they come in black and beige. And I just love these pages because you'll be able to actually read some great inspiring words as you create your page. So how I do that is I drag, of course, hold and drag the whole sheet onto my page. Just get that over there. Okay, there it is. And so then I'm actually going to drag 2 copies on here because I'm going to use more than one word Fettie word. So I'm going to start off with 2 copies. Okay, so then I select one of my copies and I just simply select crop. In that white box, you select crop and you read it over your words and decide which one of these words represents what I want more of in my day today. So I think, I don't know, let's see, forgiveness, renewed, fearless, faith. And as you're reading the words, they're now absorbing into your mental all these great positive words. So, I think I am going to do strength. I want to be strong today. I want to walk in strength and get through the day. So I'm going to use strength. I cropped it out using that rectangle tool. And there's strength. So let's do that again. I'm now going to make a copy of the copy that's left over because I'm thinking I'm going to use 3 words, so I need an additional copy. Use that box, find your crop tool. Make sure rectangle is selected on the bottom so that you can crop it out easily. Find a word that represents what you want more of today. So today I want to have more faith. I want to walk in faith. I want to have faith in my life today. So I select the word faith, crop it out. And now I add that to my page. And then I am going to select one more word. One more word I'm going to select. So I'm going to make one more copy. Select that white box. Make sure rectangle is selected and then crop out another word that represents what I want to have in my life today. So today I want to be fearless. So I select the word fearless. Resize it. Move it around. Find a nice spot for it. I like it right there. Maybe I'll move it over a little. Okay, perfect. All right, guys. So that is it. That's how you use your word Fettie. I'll add the links to Patreon in the shop in the comment section. Have a blessed day.